No end to war over Arvind Kejriwal's health. It is Delhi Chief Minister versus Tihar jail now. Tihar officials submitted a report to Delhi Lieutenant Governor saying Arvind Kejriwal does not require insulin. Jail administration has stated that Delhi CM had stopped taking insulin months before his arrest by the Enforcement Directorate. The report submitted to Delhi Lieutenant Governor also highlighted that Kejriwal's sugar levels are not alarming as of now. Meanwhile, AAP Mantris alleged that the Delhi Chief Minister is being pushed towards a slow death inside Tihar jail by denying him insulin and consultations with his doctor. BJP instantly hit out at the Aam Aadmi Party. Delhi BJP Chief Virendra Sachdeva said that Delhi ministers are spreading rumours about Kejriwal's health since they are eyeing his Chief Minister's chair.
हॉस्पिटल नहीं जाना चाहते, वो कहते हैं मैं वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग पे अपने डॉक्टर से कंसल्ट कर लूं, आप उनको डॉक्टर से नहीं कंसल्ट करने दे रहे। उनको कोर्ट जाके ये बात कहनी पड़ रही है कि साहब मेरे को इंसुलिन की जरूरत है, मुझे इंसुलिन दीजिए, और भारतीय जनता पार्टी इसके ऊपर कुतर्क कर रही है। जेल प्रशासन खबरें प्लांट कर रही है। एलजी साहब इसके अंदर डीजी से मिल रहे हैं। क्या चल रहा है? क्या ऐसा तो नहीं कि अरविंद केजरीवाल जी की हत्या की साजिश की जा रही है?
जेलर साहब कहते हैं केजरी वो कहते हैं यस जेलर, ईटिंग शुगर नो जेलर, टेलिंग लाइफ नो जेलर, ओपन माउथ सब सच है जी।
So now it's a war of words between the Delhi Chief Minister, his team, and Tihar jail officials who say that Arvind Kejriwal does not require insulin because he'd stopped taking insulin months ago, months before his arrest by the Enforcement Directorate, while Delhi Minister Saurabh Bhardwaj and Atishi claim and allege that inside jail he's being denied, Arvind Kejriwal is being denied insulin, and it appears that the jail officials allegedly are trying to push him towards a slow death. Ashutosh Mishra is joining us from Delhi for more on this. It's a war of words that's broken out between Aam Aadmi Party and Tihar jail officials. Tihar jail officials are saying that Arvind Kejriwal had stopped taking insulin months before his arrest by the Enforcement Directorate. Aam Aadmi Party says he's being denied insulin. What is it that you're learning, Ashutosh?
Well, the biggest irony, Paulme, is that, often we know in the public domain that Tihar jail falls under the elected government of Delhi. But clearly the DG Tihar, who doesn't send any report to the elected government, was sending those reports to the Lieutenant Governor. Here it already comes that what exactly could be happening with the Tihar administration and why the elected council is in loggerhead with the Tihar administration. Subsequently, a sitting chief minister who requires insulin for a medical emergency has been denied by the Tihar authority. Subsequently, even the central agency in the court opposing the same for it. He had to approach the court seeking for the same. He was on a reversal insulin program, and that's exactly why he was not taking insulin. But being a diabetic type 2, for last more than a decade, he was on insulin, and he, often every time he travels, he always carrying insulin. And as and when it was required, because in jail, you cannot continue the process of reversal of these insulin, the diabetic process. So clearly, when it required, there was a denial, and that exactly why he approached to the court. And now exactly why you see that how he has been denied insulin. And that's exactly gives the Aam Aadmi Party an admission that how one of the top leader from the opposition party, one of the key face of the India blog, a sitting chief minister, and someone who has really, battled against the BJP in several states, is being treated this way in the custody. In fact, as we speak at around 10 o'clock, Saurabh Bhardwaj, the Aam Aadmi Party, yet again we escalate the same fire, and clearly also taking on the Tihar administration. Remember, the BJP has been saying the Tihar administration under the elected government, but clearly the report that is being sent is not to the elected government, but to the Lieutenant Governor. This itself clears the entire picture what is happening in Delhi.
Ashutosh, thank you so much for bringing us all of those details.